Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have Chrome open and the page loaded. Start by choosing how you'll save the link. Click the address bar to confirm the URL, then decide. Bookmark for quick access, save page for offline, or copy link to share. Once chosen, make sure you know the destination folder, bookmarks bar, a folder, or your desktop. This prepares the action and avoids resorting later. Now move to the exact save step that matches your choice, so you complete the process efficiently. If you bookmark, click the star in the address bar, pick a folder, edit the name if needed, and press Done. If you want offline access, open Menu More Tools Save Page as choose a location, pick Web Page, complete for assets, then save. If sharing, select the address bar and press Ctrl+C, or open the page menu and choose Copy. Once done, verify the item appears in the chosen folder or location so you know the save succeeded. Finish by checking the bookmarks bar, chosen folder, or file location to confirm the link is saved. If you don't see it, make sure you're in the correct Chrome profile and that sync is on. Incorrect profile hides bookmarks. If a saved HTML file is missing, confirm the save path and permissions. As a quick fix, sign into Chrome, restart the browser, then try the save again. If problems persist, move the file or bookmark to a different folder and test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.